Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Can I come in?
I only got the 2 5Ks hooked up right now.
Really?
Yeah, I had the 4.
Woo.
Yeah, I have 4 of one on strap, but it didn't like it too much.
It didn't?
Yeah, I was tearing, the stuff was just falling apart.
It was?
So I'm gonna put 2 back on. I'm gonna put the other 2 back on. So.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so it's 4 brutal sounds, 5Ks.
Yep. Wow. This looks good, man. I know it's a work in progress, but you can tell when this is finished, it's going to be super clean.
Yeah, it started out, it's all got grill work like this behind it.
Yes, sir.
But the only reason why we didn't do anything right now is because we wanted to make this show.
Yep.
So we hurry up and kind of like slapped it together.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Still working on it.
I like the back where you can remove the panel to get the subs in, so you don't even have to mess with your loading wall.
Yeah.
That's brilliant right there.
You know, my wife got tired of kind of climbing in and out of
Yeah.
it. So
Yes, sir.
I would make her climb in. So.
Yes, sir. Oh, okay.
That looks nice.
Yeah. Do you know the specs of your enclosure?
Yeah. So this is a 4th order. It's 2.5 to 1.
Okay.
It's 7 cubes sealed and 19.9 on the high side.
Okay.
Tuned to 42.
42. And have you metered it yet?
Yeah, it do 156.
Nice. Okay.
Obviously the other 2 5Ks, it'll do 160.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Awesome.
The LEDs are so
Yeah, it looks really good. Hey, thanks for the demo. What was your name?
Bryan Armstrong.
Bryan. All right. Have a good day, man. Thanks for showing me. We'll walk away now.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.